slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free.
Just a beautiful morning in the desert. Oh my gosh, it's Asweepe. Hey guys, hope you enjoy your day. By the way, to Corey Miller, did he take any pain relievers? I heard he was being a pussy, he's sore. I don't know about that, Asweepe. I hope he took some Advil. He had some edibles last night, but he said he didn't feel anything. No way! Edibles, is that legal now in Washington? I'm not in Washington, Asweepe, I'm in Utah. Oh, same thing, same thing. Actually, it's not, Asweepe. Washington was a president. Utah's where all the Mormons live. Oh, the Mormons, don't they have multiple wives? That's the rumor. We're gonna see some of them in Hillsdale today, or Hilldale. Hilldale? That's where all them hoes and freaks go. That's right, Asweepe. I'll give you a weather report when we come back. Corey Miller's looking for a buffet of ass today, and hopefully it comes true. I do too. That player hasn't had any for a long time. That's the truth, baby. That's the truth. Look at this wise ass. Making sure.
Time to wake up.
Is Funk awake? No, not yet. Can't front on fun.
Here we are at the trailhead of Water Canyon, where we'll be doing some serious rappelling, hiking, all kinds of good stuff.
What? Got a big badonka.
Damn, my legs.
It's like this guy took these two fine hands.
Suck it in, Corey.
I'm now doing my product plugs for EXO Adventures. Epic Adventures doesn't know what they're talking about. We are getting wet, and it is going to be rather bodacious today. So, Blake.
We're in Jurassic Park. Feels like it.
They cover the trail. Oh, yeah. So you can tell that people come and just whack it.
Yeah, yeah.
Hi, Corey.
You're getting a workout in that.
And of course, the big question was, how could Kay do another Brady shirt? Well, he did. Our illustrious guys, Belfo and Vicky. Yes, it's wonderful.
Wow, look at this.
So are there any mountain lions over here? Uh-huh.
We're talking about there's 13 muscles and what in the calf.
Okay.
I told him the only muscle I care about is my penis, because we're tight. My penis and I were tight.
Got some war wounds here.
Yeah, that's
Corey, it wouldn't be an event without you getting hurt, banged up, man.
Make sure you take lots of photos of Corey over the ledge. He likes to get hurt.
Don't let those legs go first.
There you go. He's doing nicely. Good job, Mikey. You're there.
We got this. We have fun. Exo Adventures.
It's not too bad. Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
Yeah.
So this is how your wife did it. Oh.
There you go, there you go.
Walk backwards.
You're up.
Not off rope yet.
And this is.
Hi. You might just go straight back this way, Adelpho.
Yeah, just keep walking straight. Don't leave those legs kind of too far up behind you, right?
And away we go. Hopefully not too fast, right? I'm Batman. It's easier where you can't.
Oh, is that like
Group.
Oh, nice. That's perfect. Yep, nice. And you're down.
What's it? Nice. Oh, a hummingbird flew by me too. Wow. Talk about just beautiful. Got a nice little pic of you on your face in the water. Oh,
Oh my god! That's fucking cool!
That's nice.
There you go, mate.
The little Michael seaweed are coming down into the water. Corey, you'll love this one, Corey. Oh, yep, there you go. Well, you really want to get in that water, don't you, Corey? Told ya. Nice. Get that man. Right into the water. There we go.
That was his patented move back in the day.
We came from up there.
That time of the day, we don't front on fun. We have lots of fun. Amazing crew. Peace, brother.
Today was a heck of an experiencing rappelling down that on the left side of the rocks. That's what we did. It's amazing. Here at Water Canyon Trailhead. See you back at school. Hey, bye.